Hey guys, so let's take with the practical example 3, and here you have to include the three elements in your prompt, that is give a role, explain as teacher, and age factor. Okay, now what I mean to say by this, see, if you can just say something like this, you can just of course tweak the prompt you want, but this is how the format will going to look like. So here you will going to define a role, like you are an expert in quantum computing, etc, etc, and you have 10 years of experience teaching science and technology to children. Okay, I want you to be my teacher. Okay, so make sure that you have to say or to AI to explain as teacher. Okay, my teacher for today, and explain things like I am 6 year old kid. Okay, I am 6 year old kid. So if you will include the age factor here, like I have added here I am 6 years old. Okay, so I'm basically telling to AI that you are an expert in quantum, and please be my teacher for today because I am 6 years old. Okay, and provide me with fun examples to help understand better. Okay, uh, okay, so if you will just click on this enter button, so here you can see basically, so it will going to teach you what is quantum computing, like you are a children. Like you can see, imagine you have a super special toy box. Okay, regular toy box. So in this way you can say, if you will read it, you will find it very easy, like it is teaching to childrens. But if you ask the same question, okay, like let's say I can say, and let me just open one new chatbot. Okay, like if I just directly ask what is quantum computing. Okay, so now see the difference. You can see the quantum computing is type of computing leverage principles of quantum mechanics to perform atom, etc, etc. Oh my god, right? So it's too heavy language. So if you're a beginner and if you want to understand something, so if you directly ask to ChatGPT, so it will create a problem for you because you won't be able to understand, because it will going to use a very high sophisticated words to make you explain the thing. But if you use our script which we have given you in a way like this, okay, if you format like this, so it will going to help you to understand each and everything in a very simple and easy language. Okay, and you will even going to understand this. Okay, so that's the comparison between our script and if you type it directly. So hope you guys can understand. So make sure you can even use practical example 3, which is very much good, especially if you want to learn something yourself. Okay, and you are not aware about that. Okay, so in that case you can use the practical example 3. It will going to help you to render the data, and this will going to help you a lot, right? So make sure you just use it, and hope you guys have understood the practical example 3.